Left at 196 Wharf Street, another Eletech mod. Or replacement. Those relays are so damn loud for an MRL cabinet, jeez. It's like a 2-speed lift, it's so loud. Oh, this is floor 1, I thought it was ground floor. Like, why is it starting at floor 1 and the light went out? I didn't realise it's so damn loud. Not from the inside. Looks like North Lake Central from in here. I don't need to look at reception because I can just cancel the call and go back down. It's good, I'll never listen to those relays because they're ridiculously loud. Does the cabinet see what brand it is? Push. If you not be it, it's kind of boring.